To fix YouTube sound not working on Android, start by checking the volume settings on your device. Ensure that the volume is turned up and not muted. You can do this by pressing the volume buttons on the side of your device or by going to the Settings menu and selecting Sound and Vibration. Next, check if the issue is specific to the YouTube app or if it's a device-wide problem. Try playing music or videos on other apps to see if the sound is working. If the sound is working on other apps, then the issue is likely with the YouTube app. Clearing the YouTube app cache and data can often resolve sound issues. To do this, go to the Settings menu, select Apps, and find the YouTube app. Select Storage and then Clear Cache and Clear Data. This will log you out of the app, so you'll need to sign back in. If clearing the cache and data doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube app. This will remove any corrupted files that may be causing the issue. To do this, go to the Settings menu, select Apps, and find the YouTube app. Select Uninstall and then confirm that you want to uninstall the app. Once uninstalled, go to the Google Play Store and reinstall the app. Another possible solution is to check for updates to the YouTube app in the Android operating system. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues that may result in sound not working. To check for updates, go to the Google Play Store and select My Apps and Games. If an update is available for the YouTube app, select Update. To check for Android updates, go to the Settings menu, select System, and then select System Update. Finally, if none of the above steps work, try restarting your device or performing a factory reset. This will restore your device to its default settings and may resolve any software issues that are causing the problem. However, be aware that a factory reset will erase all of your data. So make sure to back up your device before doing so. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube sound not working issue on your Android device. Remember to always check for updates and clear the app cache and data regularly to prevent issues like this from happening in the future.